Review of literature. According to World Health Organization reports on traditional medicine, nearly 70 to 80% of the global population depends on plant-based traditional medicine for primary health care. This highlights the continuing relevance of medicine plant and needs for scientific validation, conservation and sustainable utilization. Recent educational studies have shown that medicinal plant garden functions as effective learning resource for botany students. Garden-based learning improves plant identification skill, understanding of taxonomy and awareness of biodiversity conservation. Such gardens also support field-based teaching, herbarium preparation and student research projects, thereby strengthening undergraduate botanical education. Overall, previous literature clearly indicates that medicinal plant gardens play a dual role in education and conservation. However, localized studies at the college level are still limited. Therefore, the present study aims to document medicinal plant in a college garden and evaluate their role as living laboratories for botany students. Aims and objective of our project: to study medicinal plant diversity maintained in a college garden, to understand the role of garden as practical learning tools, to document botanical and medicinal data of selected plants, to correlate theoretical botany concept with field observations, to create awareness on conservation and sustainable use.
Materials and methods. Study site description. The present investigation was carried out in a medicinal plant garden of the college campus, which is maintained by the Department of Botany for academic, conservation and extension activities. The garden consists of a diverse collection of herbs, shrubs, climbers and trees of medicinal importance, arranged in systematic beds. Each plant species is labeled with its botanical name, family, common or local name and medicinal uses, facilitating easy identification by students. The study was conducted during the academic year under natural environmental conditions. Regular maintenance practices such as watering, weeding and organic manuring were followed in the garden. Plant identification. Collected and observed plant species were identified using standard regional floras and taxonomic keys, textbooks of economic botany and pharmacognosy, comparison with authenticated herbarium specimens available in the department, guidance from botany faculty and subject experts. Here we are collected data from surrounding villages. Analysis of data. Data collection and documentation. For each recorded medicinal plant species, the following information was systematically documented: botanical name and family, common or local name, habit and habitat, plant parts used for medicine, traditional medicinal uses, availability status within the garden. Field notes were maintained in a structured observation notebook and selected plants were photographed for visual documentation. Data analysis. The collected data were organized into species inventory tables, habit-wise distribution analysis, plant part uses frequency, simple percentage calculations and tabular representation were used to interpret the educational and conservation significance of the medicinal plant garden.
Educational role as living laboratories. Medicinal plant gardens support botany students by enabling hands-on taxonomy and classification, demonstrating economic botany concepts, supporting ethnobotany and pharmacognosy learning, encouraging field-based observation skills, helping students to prepare herbarium specimens. Learning through live specimens improves memory retention and conceptual clarity.